Welcome guys, in front of me I have Huawei Mate 10 Lite and I'm going to show you how we can set up this animated Super Galaxy wallpaper. So at the first I'm going to delete this application and I will show you in the step by step how to get it and apply on your screen. So currently we got the default wallpaper from the Huawei. So right now we have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type here Super Galaxy. Super Galaxy Wallpaper. We have to get this application, the Shadow Galaxy, from the maxalus.net. So let's install. Click open. Open one more time and click to apply. Go back to your screen. And as you can see, our wallpaper has changed for the Super Galaxy wallpaper. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.